Welcome back. Continuing the news. The pastor whose daughter's body was found in a cooler last month is calling on the government to extend the training program for the police. Dr. Amos Campbell, who was speaking on Sunday at the funeral service for his daughter, Kahim Campbell, says the added training could help them to better handle certain crime-related matters. TVJ Shamela Pullin reports.
A never-ending nightmare. Dr. Amos Campbell is showing strength as he leads a choir at the True Vine Holiness Church in Mandeville, Manchester, as he laid to rest his only daughter, 25-year-old Kahim Campbell. Dr. Campbell questions the police investigation after the body of his daughter was found stuffed in a cooler in a car along the Winston Jones Highway in Manchester on August 28, 2018. Days after, the body of her alleged killer, a Seventh-day Adventist deacon, 59-year-old Linton Stevenson, was found at his home.
There was a body in the house, decomposed, that the police did not find. It was flies that found the body, which tells me that the house was not under surveillance. Don't understand.
The father calls on the government to look at extending the training program for the police.
6 months may not be enough time for proper training for people who will have to interface with general public on a day-to-day basis. So although the police, I commend you, you're doing a good job, I must recommend that there is room for improvement. And against which background, I am suggesting that every policeman and woman undergo professional development.
Meanwhile, Councillor for the New Green Division in Manchester, MacArthur Collins, is throwing blame at the church and the community members who he said have been silent on matters like these. Mr. Collins says they need to be aware of persons who come into their environments.
But we sit down quietly and we hug up some persons who come to our community. And they find girl and boyfriend. And they find mother-in-law. And they get children. And we don't investigate where they're coming from. And we hit the Kentucky chicken. And we hit the dinner. And we don't know where it's coming from.
Shamela Pullin, TVJ News.